Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the physical or emailed Google gift card. Begin by checking the code's characters and removing any spaces. Sign into the same Google account you'll use for purchases on iPhone because balance ties to account. Now open the Google app or App Store page used for redemption. Once done, navigate to your account/profile section. This first step links the code to the right account and prevents balance loss, so take a moment to double-check the signed-in email. With your account open, go to Payments and Subscriptions and choose Redeem Code. You need to type the code exactly as shown, so copy carefully. Once you enter it, tap Redeem and follow on screen prompts to confirm adding the balance to your Google account. Make sure payment methods and billing country settings match the card's region, because mismatch can block redemption. If you plan to use the credit for apps or subscriptions on iPhone, ensure the Google account is the one linked in those apps before proceeding. After redemption, use the balance immediately for app purchases or subscriptions by signing into the same Google account inside the iPhone app. This ensures the credit is selected at checkout. For subscriptions, choose billing via Google and confirm the purchase. For one-time buys, pick Google Pay where available. If you hit an error, make sure the card's country matches your account and it hasn't expired. If problems persist, contact Google support with the full code and purchase details for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.